Hello guys, welcome to your first Python tutorial for Android. Now, this tutorial is basically meant to teach you guys how to run Python on Android and basically how to learn Python in general. So it's not just basically learning about Python for Android, but this tutorial also covers the Python basics also. If you're a beginner on Python, this tutorial will teach you how to use the language Python, which means that anything that you here can be applied to both the computer version and the Android version of Python. So without much wasting time, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is that you need to install the Python for Android. And to do that, you'll head to Play Store and click to the search bar and search for the word Qpython. Now once you search it, just click enter. And what you want to be downloading is nothing but this Qpython 3 for Android. Now once you click it, you notice that you see something installed right here. Well, I've already installed mine, so you guys know how it works. I'm just going to open it up. So now once you open it up, it's going to take you to this area where you see the Python logo and the console, the editor, the programs, and the community. And that will be all for this video, because I'm just going to teach you how to install Python and how you can actually use it on your Android phone. So that's all for now. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thank you. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.